Hello, all you beautiful beings of existence. Fanflare here, and welcome back to Dust. Last time we found a village, and we were a bit of an asshole. Oh. Aha! Hey, if it works, it works. Why should I shoot them when I can just make them blow themselves up? It's funny. Hello.
I am here to...
Do I have anything I can give you? Okay.
Your trend. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, that's a new one. Hello. Okay. Okay, let's go. Onwards! We were doing a thing here. Because I think there's something here that I need. Oh, hi. Be dead, please. There we go. Die, 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 die. Hey, what works, works. Oh, shots restocked. Interesting. I love that. I love blowing them up like that. So, oh, hi. Ow. Okay, that hurt. Okay, I just have to wait for that to go away. Hi, key. Chicken? Chicken? Well, chicken? Well, chimkin. Okay, well, that just went the direction it was supposed to. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Nope. Oh, that's right. It's different directional. Okay, that's... I don't know why I thought it was one button and it depended on the direction you were facing. Haha. Yes, I'm going to blow them all up like this. It's fun. Whoa! What the hi? Oh, headless statue! Headless statue! Oh, well. Nope. I can cheat! Haha! I remember this. Walked out to the hand. And a leap of faith. Whoa! Hi! What the hi? What? What all is in here? Bunch of chests. Oh, okay. I don't trust that. I'm gonna open one of these first. Okay. A, X, P, X. Yeah! Alright, and I don't have any more keys. I'm assuming, yeah, I figured as much. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Pop. Hey, what works, works, man. Ow! Okay, these guys came back too. Alright, let's go this way. Let's actually follow the path this time. It is nice that I could just do that. Ow! Nope. Hi. Okay. Oh, hold up. That was some shit. Hey, man. I'll take what I can get. Oh, energy is depleted. Oh, rolling takes energy. Did not know that. Okay, good to know. I was not paying attention to that. Okay, well, I remember that this is here now. So, blow up. Thank you. Oh, whoa. Wall Chimkin. Wall Chimkin. I don't have the right resonance gem for that, so let's go back this way. Up, ow, ow, fucker. Thank you. Up, please, thank you. Save. Okay, let's go this way. Oh god, that could have ended poorly for me. No god. Okay. Scared me a little bit. Oh, hi. Raining. Why? By Fortis? Oh, ow. Okay. That didn't work how I thought it was going to. Oh, hello. Do I get a double jump sometime? Because that looks helpful. Oh, fucking. Excuse you. Oh my god. I was at 1 health. Holy shit. Hello? This fucking gem again. Okay. I have to be getting this here somewhere, right? Because there's been multiple of that. Hi. Excuse you. Oh, there's shit hiding. Here and there. Okay. Ow. Foot cramp. Hate that. Okay. Go. Boom, boom, boom. Give me the loot. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Oh, I saw that. I saw that key. Haha. What? Oh, hi. That's a thing. There's a lot of bloms. Nope. Hey, if it works, man. Okay. I thought that might have been a thing. Ow! Okay, that hurt. Thank you. Hello? Hi. Hello.
Oh, hello there.
Nice of me to drop in. Hello.
Easy there, Chief. Everyone, calm down, please. So, you were the ones making all that noise up there.
Yes. Sorry.
Not intentionally. By the way, do you know you have bloms in the attic?
Oh, those? They don't bother us. And they tend to keep the other monsters away. If I knew we were having company, I'd have cleared them out myself. Sorry about that, I guess.
Oops.
So, what brings you two this far outside Aurora? I'm assuming that's where you're from.
I'm Gust, and this is my companion, Fidget. We're here to deliver these materials on Augustin's behalf.
Yeah.
Oh, well, nice to meet ya. I'm Haley, and this is my brother, Maddie.
Hello. Hello.
Don't mind him. I see you've got a blueprint there. Mind if I take a look?
Yeah.
Well,
Bet.
this doesn't look too hard. Tell you what, if you can find me the materials for it, I'll craft this item for you.
Blacksmith. Blacksmith. I think I can do. Oh, I don't have. Damn.
Thanks, Haley.
And, just because I like you, I'll give you a blue resonance gem.
Thank you.
Don't know if
Oh
you
my god,
found your
yes.
way up, but there's a big blue door at the foot of Archer's Pass that this'll open. Just inside the door is a teleporter that'll take you right up here. Makes return trips a lot easier.
Oh, that's so
You can
helpful.
come and visit anytime
That's
you
so
like.
helpful.
I'll be honest, even with a shortcut at the foot of the pass, I'm not sure I'll be able to make it up here too often.
Well, my dad did have these little receiver things he'd give to his regular customers to transport goods back and forth.
Ooh.
Unfortunately, I don't have any of them to give you. Let me think.
Okay.
If I remember correctly, one of my dad's customers dropped one somewhere in Abadi's forest.
Abadi's.
Find it, I could craft your items and
I'm going
send
there,
it
aren't
to
I?
the receiver whenever you want it.
Like, isn't that my next place?
Dad normally gives his customers a blue resonance gem, so check for blue resonance gates in Abadi's forest.
Ah.
Anything else?
Can I craft something else? No. Okay, nope.
Need anything else?
Never
Thanks,
mind.
Dust. Don't be long coming back.
All right, I will not. Hello, hold up.
Hi there, Maddie. Nice to meet you.
Wait, hold on.
Right then.
No, hold on.
How you doing, Maddie?
It's different. Hold on, I gotta do this. I gotta.
Hey, that's just fantastic.
Oh,
What's
hi.
the word, Maddie?
Hey, Maddie.
I'll make sure to spread the good news.
All right. No,
My favorite
no,
customer.
not you.
Thanks, Des.
Not you. No, Maddie. No, not
My
you,
favorite
Maddie.
Thanks, Des.
Maddie.
How's the market treating you, Maddie?
Hello.
Good to hear, good to hear.
Wait.
Hey, Maddie, so about your sister.
Don't do that, Dawes. What the hell?
Alright, well, I'm glad we had this talk.
Wait.
Hi there, Maddie. Nice to
Oh,
meet you.
I didn't do anything. Fine. All right. It would have been funny. So wait, do I have the blue resonance gem now? But is that just a thing I have now?
That went incredibly well. Do you know why?
Why?
Don't be so dense. It's because she likes you.
Yay! We like the blacksmith likes us.
Talking about?
See the signals? She was giving you the signals.
I saw 0
That's
6.
great, Fidget. Really, I'll...
God damn it, Dust. All right, hold on. Do I have anything like better to give myself? Oh, cupcakes heal more. There we go. Thank you. Oh, blue resonance gem. Thank the gods. Ooh, excuse me. Hello. Wasn't one of them here? No, one of them was not here. Well, there was one. Thank you. Teleport there. Don't worry, I put her in a safe, her cage in a safe place. If you need to find her, just climb to the climb above the wooden bridge near Denim. Don't try doing that wall jumping move of yours to get here. You'll fall right to your neck. Huh. Let me back up. That was the thing. Hold on. Hi. Boom. There we go. Ow, okay. What's this? Okay, there's nothing this way. Fucking nothing. Ah, it just fades away. And that was quick too, damn. I got some of them. Let's save this. Boop. Fall down. I believe it was this way. Yeah! NGI. Oh, you saw. Okay, well, I need a red resonance gem for that one. Well, I'm gonna make my way back up and use the teleporter to get down. Ow! That hurt! Excuse the fuck out of you? Oh, what? Oh, I died. Oopsie. Good thing I saved. Boy, thank you. Haha. Yeah, good. Okay, yeah, it's a good thing I saved, because that was really stupid of me. Okay, let's go. Wait, treasure. Where? Okay. Whee! Abby's Forest. Oh yeah, Abby's Forest. Yeah, that's what I want. Oh, right, okay, because I can go back there. Right. Got the beat. I am dumb. Don't worry about me. Yep, Abby's Forest. Yes, Abby's nuts. Yes, I get it. Let me in. Thank you. Save here. Thank you. Oh, oh, hi. Oh, right. I'm so used to the bombs. I thought these guys were gonna explode on me. Hey, bitch ass boy. Thank you. Ow. Rude. Oh, hi. Hello. Defense up. Thank you. Let's head off. Haha! Get fucked, nerds. No, God, hi. What the hell? Okay, well, things are making noises, which I don't like. Oh, God, hi. Thank you. The fucking... Be dead, please. Thank you. Go. Haha. Become the Deadification. Eggshell blueprints. Hello. I know I need arrowheads, so if I see a shop, I gotta remember that shit. Oh, there's a shop in here. That's easy. That's easy. Well, I just gotta find it. Hi, Cam. God, die, please. Boy, can you fucking... Thank you. Bitch ass. Thank you. Okay. Shop in here. Hi. X, Y, B, A. Go, 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 go. That's a lot. Okay. That works. Okay. Shop wasn't down here. Where is the shop then? Aha! There we are. Oh, didn't I have a side quest in here too? Hold on. Quest to dust, better than nothing. Return. You collected the impacts. Return to fail in Aurora for your payment. Okay. But not felony read. Ask to check the girl in Denim at the edge of Abba's Forest. Denim! Denim! Well, the bridge. There's the wood bridge above Denim. There's someone there. That's the blacksmith. Okay. Yep. Okay. Hi? Okay. Well, that was stupid of me. I should have known that was going to happen. Although something tells me I'm not supposed to be able to get up there because it mentioned the wall jump, but I said not to use it.
I suspected you.
Okay.
Your transaction.
Wrong button. I hit B instead of A. I'm just gonna buy 12 of these. What are you? Oh, poison. Ooh, poison antidote. That's nice.
Your transaction.
Okay. I can buy more I can buy more stuff later when I remember what I need. Die, please. Die, please. Thank you. Look up at the gate. Okay. Die, thank you. Go this way, please. Thank you. Oh, hi. Please be dead. Thank you. I enjoyed dead. Key. Oh well, that's rude. Thank you. Oh God, hi. Okay. Excuse you. Fuck off. Identification is mostly appreciated. Just so long as it's not identification of me. Oh, save point. I'm gonna keep going a little bit. Up, up. Let's see if I can find where that bomb fruit goes. There's 2 bomb fruits. What the hell? Please die. I do not like being surrounded by you fuckers. There we go. Oh, well, that didn't work. Oh, that was probably to help take care of the enemy. That makes more sense, actually. Please? Please? Thank you. Oh. Fucking giant. Okay. There we go. Ha ha. I wonder. Hold on. Ow!
Whoa, what was that? Did you just hit yourself?
Dust, you must take care. Even the greatest of swordsmen cannot maintain the dust storm for that long.
Yeah, okay. I'll try to be more careful.
Alright.
Keep an eye on your color. If you start turning red and the screen begins to shake, you're close to losing it.
Interesting. Okay. Okay. Hi. Cutscene.
Out of those caverns.
Yes.
What's the matter? Afraid of the dark?
I laugh at the dark. Actually, I'm afraid of heights.
You fly.
Heights? How is that possible? You fly all the time. Everywhere.
Oh, do I? I must have forgotten. Just like you must have forgotten that I can still fall at any time.
Never
Okay,
looked
that's
at it
fair.
that way. You're an interesting one, Fidget.
Okay. You know what? Fair. Ow. Don't let him attack then. Haha. See, different enemies have different timing, but I always have a problem when that happens. That's the thing with Ow. Excuse the fuck out of you. There we go. I thought, okay. I wouldn't let me hit you again, so I thought you died. And then you wouldn't fucking move, so then... Okay, rude. Not nice. Oh, God. Nope, nope. Okay. Oh, God. Hello?
Ah, hello again, my friend.
Do I need anything? I'm gonna buy cupcakes.
Your transaction
Yay, okay.
is most appreciated. Watch.
Watch your back. Yep, okay. Let's go. Upwards. I can't do that. Yeah, I'm gonna save. That's fun. Okay, we have a blacksmith now. We just gotta get the materials to use her. All right. This can't be long because I took too long starting to record, and I gotta get ready to go somewhere. Anyway, ooh, excuse me. All right, there we go. Yep. Okay, well that's gonna be it for this episode. God, I love this game. I'm just having so much fun. Ooh, excuse me. But yes, God, I feel like there's something I wanted to say, but I can't remember it for the life of me. So I'm going to say, thank y'all for watching, stay gold, and see y'all around.